and welcome to Johnny English. So today we're going to talk about a very simple subject. Simple from the perspective of understanding how it works. But I wanted to talk about this subject because it is about understanding the language and being able to be confident that you've heard what you think you've heard. We're just going to talk today very briefly about homophones and give you some brief examples of what homophones are and why they can maybe cause one or two problems in understanding the language. So a homophone is a word that looks different to another word, but it sounds exactly the same. So when you say the word, when you hear the word, you will pronounce it exactly the same as the other word. But the two words are spelt differently, mostly. They're spelt differently and they mean something different completely. So I'll give you three very basic ones just to show you how this works. So we have the word meat, which is an animal product that people eat. Meat, you have sausages and steaks, that is meat. But also meat means to have a meeting with somebody or to have contact with somebody for the first time. So you meet somebody or you eat meat. Both exactly the same sound. If you hear one, particularly when you're beginning to learn a language, beginning to learn English, you'll hear a word and you think, did I hear that correctly or did I not? Okay. Another one is here. Here. So here means just here. I am here talking to you about English homophones. But I hope that when you watch this video, you'll be able to hear me. So exactly the same sound again, to hear what somebody says, and I am just here, as in a location. And the final one, and these are by no means all of them, there are many homophones, many words in English that sound exactly the same and can cause you some confusion. So basically just my advice is to look out for them, to think about what you're hearing, and you'd usually be able to tell which word it is from the context of what it is that you're reading, listening to, or talking about. And the last one we're going to talk about is there. There. So it could be over there, okay? The car is over there, the house is over there. Or it could be there as in possessive. It is their car over there. I am over here and I can hear them calling, but their car is there. So as you can see, they are quite confusing at times, and particularly, as I said, when you're starting to learn a language. So think about these words, investigate them for yourself, because there are so many, and it will enrich your language. It will encourage you to want to learn more. It will give you confidence, and you'll get to become more and more familiar with the really very flexible but very interesting language of English. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to tomorrow.